So, Tiffany, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much.
And you've got your dad with you, Brian.
I have.
Right. And the aim is apparently to somehow genetically link you to the Rocketman.
Possibly.
Otherwise known as Reginald Kenneth Dwight.
Yes.
Yeah. You mentioned your beloved late grandmother, Phyllis.
Yeah.
So here's Phyllis, and we're going to flip up a couple of generations to your great-great-grandfather, so Phyllis's grandfather. Now, you thought there was a Buckinghamshire link.
We found that Phyllis's family came from the Buckinghamshire area, and we'd also heard that Elton John's family also came from sort of a similar area, Chesham.
Okay, well, let's have a look. Well, we're going to delve back in time. There's an affection for the name William. A fair few boys keeping that Dwight surname, which helps us, of course, link back generation to generation. So what we have here is a David Dwight married to a Sarah. David would be your 4 times removed grandfather.
Goodness me.
Okay?
Okay.
But we don't have the ancestral connection we need to Elton John's family.
Oh, okay.
Okay? However, the Brits were great bookkeepers.
Right.
So let's hope, fingers crossed, we can go further back.
Okay.
And indeed, we can. We are time travelling all the way back
My
to the
goodness.
beginning of the 18th century. Come on, Brian, how's your history? What's happening?
Even I wasn't born then.
That's staggering. There's another William, 2 more Williams, in fact. So William Dwight, 7 times your great-grandfather.
Goodness me.
He marries an Elizabeth Sills. But what we require of Elizabeth and William is more progeny. Did Elizabeth have any more offspring?
Okay.
Because William Dwight and Elizabeth Sills have William in 1743, and 7 years later, they have a Robert. So William has a brother called Robert.
Oh my goodness.
Now, if we stick with Robert's line, we're going to take you to Edwin Dwight, who we can place in a place called Chesham.
Oh my goodness. Oh wow.
Can you guess
Really?
where I'm taking
Well,
you?
I didn't want to get too excited.
Hold a hand, Dad.
Oh my gosh.
Do we think that Edwin might have had grandchildren? I mean, what do we think the chances are here?
I'm really hoping.
I think you were a pretty fertile lot, weren't you, for goodness sake? Let's have a look. Dun, dun, dun!
Goodness, we are actually related to him. That's incredible. Oh wow, thank you so much. My God.
We think you are Sir Elton John's 6th cousin twice removed.
Oh my goodness. That's incredible.
I'll get much closer than that.
No.